Hey guys, so I wanted to talk to you really quick today about why it is indecision is really bad for you. So what happens is when you cannot make a decision, you are training your brain to remain indecisive. So if you can't make a small decision, then it'll become harder and harder to make a larger choice. So what happens is when making a big choice will become like overcoming a mountain instead of just this, which should be more like a molehill. It shouldn't be a big deal. And so what happens is you won't be able to trust your instincts, and then it also harms your confidence because then you won't be able to trust your judgment. You won't be able to trust your gut, and it spreads like wildfire. Once it starts with something small, it goes to the big things. And then what happens is you stay stuck. You don't fix things. It doesn't get better. You stay stuck with the problem. And then your confidence stays low. And it just doesn't ever improve. So being indecisive is actually worse than making a bad choice. And what you think could be a bad choice today can end up being a better choice down the road or even tomorrow. You never know. And it's better actually to approach things with curiosity and with the willingness to learn than it is to be so worried that you're making a mistake than to have the willingness to make a mistake and to get up and learn from it. So being indecisive is probably one of the worst things that you could do for your mind, for your career, for your life, long term and short term. If you have any thoughts, I would love to hear from you. Please share them. Thanks. Have a great day.